Hello everyone, Archana here. Every country is different and laws in every country are different. Here I came across few laws. Of course, when I say it, it might sound ridiculous, but they actually do exist. They might sound weird to you, but you have to keep in mind of these laws if you got to travel any of these countries. The very first law I'm going to talk about is in Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, taking a selfie with your back turned to Buddha is considered to be disrespectful. The mistreatment of Buddha is a serious offense, and yes, ill-treating Buddhist artifact and images is banned in this country, and this rules is applicable even for Buddhist tattoos too. You will not believe a British tourist was arrested in the year 2014 for having a Buddha tattoo. The next point is about chewing gum. So chewing gum, once upon a time, it was like people were very addictive. But there is a country where chewing gum is banned, and yes, buying or selling chewing gum in this country is banned, and this country is Singapore. Since year 2004, one can buy dental and nicotine chewing gum from a doctor or a pharmacist only under the prescription of a doctor. This law is in place only to keep the place clean. The next point is money. So we have been taught since our childhood we are not supposed to step on money, and yes, it is the truth. But there is a country where even if you step on money accidentally, you will be behind the bars, and yes, it is illegal. So do you know which is that place? This place is Thailand. So next time when you visit Thailand, make sure that you don't even step on money accidentally. It is illegal to step on Thai money as it has pictures of country's royal family. The next point, yes, we all do attend occasions, wedding ceremonies and funerals, but there is one country wherein it is illegal to disrupt weddings, religious occasions and even funerals. And yes, if at all one is found in disrupting such occasions, the person may have to face 2 years of imprisonment or may even have to pay a hefty fine of $10,000. So this country is Australia. When we talk about get-togethers and pubs, most of the countries, they do enjoy drinking in pubs and get-togethers. In most of the countries, women also do drink in public. And yes, there are a lot of places where women drink in public. But there is one country where a married woman can drink only 1 glass of wine in public. Do you know which is that country? This country is Bolivia, a country in South America. This law is made to prevent a woman from flirting with unknown men as she will be in a drunken state. High heels. When I talk about high heels, most of the ladies do wear high heels, but there is one country where you are not supposed to wear high heels when you are visiting few of the historical sites, and this place is Greece. This is because the sharp sole in the heel can damage the monuments there. So next time if you happen to visit, make sure you don't carry high heels when you visit few historical sites in Greece. When we travel in two-wheeler or in four-wheeler, we tend to enjoy big billboards on the busy streets. And yes, when we see there are most of the advertisements on the billboards, and yes, it is of course an entertainment. But do you know billboards are banned in few of the US states, that is Alaska, Hawaii, Vermont and Maine. So these are the places where billboards are illegal. That's only to ensure you enjoy the scenic beauty of these places like beaches and mountains. When you see pigeons, you like to feed them, and yes, it's fun feeding birds. But there is a country where it is illegal to feed the pigeons, and this country is San Francisco. So it is illegal to feed pigeons in this place as they may damage the property, and yes, it can even spread diseases. And yes, if someone is caught feeding pigeons here, they may have to pay a hefty fine. Next interesting point, when we travel and when we go to different places, due to this climatic changes, we may fall sick. It's quite common. So we tend to carry few drugs which would relieve us. But there is one place where you can't have Vicks. So this place is Japan. So next time when you go to Japan, keep in mind that you're not supposed to carry this drugs there, as Vicks contain codeine. Codeine is a sleep-inducing drug, and pseudoephedrine. This relieves nasal congestion. So these drugs are banned in Japan. So keep in mind not to carry Vicks when you travel to Japan. Next point, you're in a hurry and yes, you want to rush out, but your car is very dirty, full of dust. What would you do? Will you just drive the car out, or you dust the car and then take your car out? There is one place where it is illegal to drive a dirty car. Do you know which is that place? It is Russia. Next law, it may sound weird to you, but this law do exist. It is illegal and it is against the law to flush a toilet after 10 p.m. in an apartment building. Yes, you heard it right. Flushing a toilet after 10 p.m. in an apartment building is illegal. Do you know which is this country? It is Switzerland. The next law, you must have climbed a tree during your childhood, or yes, even now you must be climbing a tree if you are young enough. During my childhood, yes, I have climbed a tree. That is when we used to go for a vacation with my friends. It was fun sitting on top of a tree and munching few snacks. But there is a country where it is against the law to climb a tree. This place is Oshawa, Ontario in Canada. Have you heard of durian fruit? This fruit is known for its peculiar appearance and yes, smell. This fruit is banned in public transports in many countries like Japan, Hong Kong, Singapore and even Thailand. If you have visited any of the Southeast Asian countries, you might know about this durian fruit. This fruit is got empowering smell. I do not like the smell of durian fruit, and yes, I have tasted it. It's tastes very peculiar. So this fruit is banned in few of the countries. So next time when if at all you happen to visit these countries, make sure you don't carry it along in public transports. Do you whistle in public, or do you shout or yell? There is a place wherein it is illegal to whistle, to shout, to yell or even singing at any point of time. This place is Petrolia, Ontario in Canada. So this city has a law that limits excessive noise of yelling, shouting, singing, whistling at any point of time. So this state has rules of no yelling, no shouting, no whistling, no singing at any time. The next point, if someone knocks at your door and asks you, can I please use your washroom? What would you say? Would you say yes please? If you say yes, but the person is unknown to you, will you allow the person inside your home to use the washroom? There is a law in Scotland wherein if any person knocks at your door and say they want to use a washroom, you are supposed to allow them. So these were few interesting laws across the world. I found it weird, but yes, they do exist. So I thought it was really very interesting and I would share with you guys. If you guys have come across any of these laws, you can leave it in the comment section. Do share them with your friends and loved ones. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video. Let's meet up in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy.